Hello everyone. I welcome you to the channel 3F's Fistful of Facts. A banquet is a feast which is formally held involving huge guests and a variety of dishes for special occasion. Every day was an occasion for our earlier kings as they used to live in royalty, and that is seen in Jai Vilas Palace, a 19th century palace in Gwalior, India. It was established by Jayajirao Scindia, the Maharaja of Gwalior in 1874. Now, if you are inside a palace, you need to experience the royalty, and that is what you would be able to see in this palace. Inside the palace, you will see a large, luxurious dining table and a silver toy train curiously chugging along. Madhavrao Scindia first, grandfather of Minister Vasundhara Raje, who ruled from 1886 to 1926, was curious about various gadget, machine and technology. This made him commission this unique toy which is around 120 years old. The entire table is designed to serve about 150 esteemed guests. Dishes are served in a unique way. On the right of the table, you will be able to find all the vegetarian dishes, while on the left, all non vegetarian dishes can be found. To delight the guest, you will be able to find a silver toy train running along the track, distributing wine, champagne, and cigars to them in the center of the table. The train consists of pure silver engine and seven carriages, especially designed with glass decanters. One more uniqueness of this train is that each decanter has a label of seven characters of the name Scindia, like S, C, I, and so on. When combined, they can be read as Scindia. This train was ordered in 1906 from Basat Lowke, a British toy rail company. The train is operated with the help of a panel. It will stop as soon as the decanter is lifted and start when put down on the carriage. So come, pack your bags to Gwalior to enjoy this toy train.